and Evelyn were last seen at 5:30 p.m. on I-81 southbound within the city of Binghamton, traveling towards Pennsylvania. Wearing a maroon shirt. Autumn and Evelyn Collis were reported abducted by Amanda Collis, age 37, white female, 5'7" tall, 220 pounds, brown hair, green eyes. Amanda Collis is to be driving a black 1999 Eagle Talon, Maryland registration 9884Z5. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact the police by calling 911. For more information, go to www.twitter.com/PA State Police. This has been an Amber Child Abduction Alert for the Binghamton City Police Department. 9884Z5. Anyone with information about the abduction should immediately contact